Hey, this is Sabrina, lead trainer for Ballen Brands. Today I'm going to show you how to create a page on WordPress. Now, pages are going to be meant for content that is not going to expire, something that doesn't have a specific expiration date on it, and something that will have information on it that could last a while that you don't necessarily want on a blog feed. So to create a page, you're going to start on the back end of your WordPress website. And on the left-hand side, you're going to go ahead and click on Pages. Now, if you click on that, it is going to take you a list of all of your pages. When you hover over it, it has this little menu here for all pages or to add a new page. So you don't have to go to this screen where it lists all your pages out. You could simply just click on Add New if you'd like. Now, once you're on this page, you also have the Add New button at the very top. I'm going to go ahead and click on that to start a brand new page. Now on WordPress, you do have the option to title your page. So you want to make sure to title it whatever makes the most sense for what that page is going to be about. And if you are keyword optimizing your blog, your page, you are going to want to make sure that you put the keyword up here in that title. Now here you have the body. This is where all of your content is going to go. And if you want to format your body here, you do have a toolbar up at the top here where you can add links, change your alignment, bold, italicize, underline, do your text colors, all of that stuff. And then you can also add media and shortcodes if you have a specific plugin that allows shortcodes into your body as well. Now on the right-hand side here, you want to make sure you pay attention to these page attributes. So with the page attributes, you can actually choose a parent page for this particular page. Now a parent page is going to be basically like a main category page that any other pages might be able to fall under. So for example, if we are going to be teaching people about Facebook marketing, we may have a parent page titled Facebook or What is Facebook or something along those lines. Now that would be the parent page for other pages, for example, that are how to create a Facebook account, how to create a post on Facebook, how to go live on Facebook, all of those would go under that main Facebook parent page. Now, what that does is those children pages or child pages, anytime those are visited or interacted with, it does also help the parent pages as well. So that is kind of a really good practice to put in when you're creating pages. Now, on the right-hand side as well, you are going to have the publish section. So you can change the status of your page. You can make it, set it for pending review or as a draft, visibility, public, password protected or private, publish immediately, or you can choose a date to schedule it out to be published. And then you can publish from here. You also have an option to save it as a draft if you want to save it for later, and to preview it if you want to see what it looks like before you actually publish it. Now, any other stuff that you see here are all additional plugins that we have installed for our page. So if you have additional plugins that are meant to optimize a page or a post, you will see them all down at the bottom here. Once it's published or saved as a draft, you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, you can contact us at team@ballenbrands.com. If you like this video, go ahead and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about online marketing, hop over to ranklikeaboss.com where we have a complete online training course for you. We also have an expansion specifically for real estate agents if you are a real estate agent and want to learn more about online marketing for real estate specifically. That's it. Thanks for watching.